I'm the project coordinator. I spoke with Paul a lot. Paul's awesome. He's a major Browns fan, so we're right up the same alley.
To be doing a rebuild project for a military veteran is a blessing to me. It's always nice to give back. They have done so much for our country and our communities, so the little help that we can provide for them is always, it's a joy.
We keep in contact. He talks to me. If anything, he has any issues, I give him a call to let him know what's going on. Pretty much just working together. He's, like I said, he's awesome. I can't say enough about that, about him.
But yeah, it feels good to be able to do this for people that, you know, might not necessarily be able to do it. And, you know, it gives them a safe home to live in, you know, where the roof's not leaking or, you know, in danger of more rotten wood and things like that. And it feels good to do it. And, you know, yeah, I met the homeowner. He seems like a super nice guy, super straightforward guy. So, like I said, we're good at it. You know, some people may look at this, or a homeowner may look at this, especially a veteran, and say, hey, you know, this isn't something that we can tackle or something they can do themselves. They look at it like just a huge, you know, just a huge aggravation and a huge project. And, you know, we come in here in a couple of days and, you know, partner with West and come in here in a couple of days and knock it out. And, you know, they're back to, you know, brand new. So it's nice to be able to do these things.
Allied supplied all the materials and stuff like that. They've been awesome. They've worked with us hand and foot to get us everything we need and make sure that we're on the right page for success here.
We've done 2 or 3 projects so far with Kleenworks. They're a very good company. They're strong workers, energetic, and they work safely with us, so that allows us to keep our integrity while we're doing the projects. They were a good teammate for the Rebuild Together program. Normally we work on flat roofs. However, I did run the steep roofing division for about 10 years, so I'm familiar with the steep. You always want to look at a roof from the underneath to make sure that it's sound. There are a few iffy spots up here, so we look at those. But being that it's over a 412 pitch, we have to tie off 100% of the time. So everybody's in a fall arrest harness, as well as a rope and an anchor point. So everybody's 100% tied off while they're on the roof. We normally don't have to do that on the flat roofs.
It's one of my joys in life, is trying to help other people and see them happy and progress along and everything like that. So, so this is definitely an awesome project to get into. It's definitely a confidence boost in myself and the company. So looking forward to moving forward with this.